In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in ActiveCampaign. This process is straightforward, yet it's vital for managing your contacts effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started with this simple, step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. You'll find this on the left-hand sidebar of your ActiveCampaign dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to managing contacts. The sidebar provides quick access to all the essential tools you'll need, so make sure you're familiar with its layout. If your sidebar is collapsed, you can easily expand it by hovering over the icons to help you find what you're looking for more efficiently. Now, once you're in the Contacts area, you need to look for Lists in the secondary menu. Again, if the sidebar is collapsed, just hover over the icons to view additional options. Lists are crucial because they organize your contacts into specific groups, making it easier to create targeted email campaigns. It's all about efficiency and precision when it comes to email marketing. Once you locate the Lists section, click on it, and you'll see an option to add a list. This is the starting point for building your contact lists. Click on Add a List to bring up a modal where you'll input essential information about your list. It's crucial here to be descriptive but concise. You'll be filling out several fields, so let's go through those one by one. First up is the list name. Choose a name that is short yet descriptive, something that your contacts will recognize. This is what your subscribers see, so clarity is key. A name that reflects the purpose or content focus of the list will help maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Next, you'll need to provide the list URL. This should be the address of your website. It's a compliance requirement, so double-check that you input this accurately. This ensures that your subscribers know where the list originates from, which is important for maintaining compliance with email marketing regulations. Finally, the list description. Here, you want to provide a friendly reminder for your subscribers about why they joined the list in the first place. This reinforces the connection and relevance of your content to them. Take a moment to remind them of the value they're getting by being on this list. Once you've filled out all these fields, you can click Add to create your list. And that's it. You've successfully created a list, and it now has a unique list ID, which is visible in the URL. This ID is a handy reference when managing your lists. Congratulations on setting up your list in ActiveCampaign. With this foundation, you're now ready to start organizing your contacts and crafting meaningful, targeted email campaigns. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing!